Hello and welcome to a second video in C++ programming language. The last time we had discussed the use of this include IO streamline and we knew that cout is base console output, and then my time got over. Now what cout does is, what this thing does is, it picks up the, this is a left shift operator. But here what it does is it picks up this thing from the right and it throws it into the left. That's all it does. Nothing more. Um, yeah. So now you have in you have this thing cout hello world, and then you have this thing. Now what it will first do is it will start reading from the right till it encounters this. There you go. So now it pick up everything right there and it will throw it in here. And then means change line. So it will say, okay, after you are done doing whatever is written to the left of this thing, change line. In some computer language probably, and this just for this time, something between dollar and percent means some little bit in computer language right now. Now this thing enclosed in double quotes is actually a string. A string means a compiler is supposed to process it and it is supposed to throw it everywhere as it is. So okay, let us say this hello world is stored in a placeholder p. So throw placeholder p, and this command goes to it in computer language, assembly language or something. But there you go. So now it has to throw a placeholder p and then it has to change line. And now what is it? Cout, which means it will pick up all this, and cout means I told you console output. So okay, console output, throw placeholder p, change line. So I have to print something on the console, I have to throw in the placeholder p, and the placeholder p actually contains hello world, and then change line, which is press and enter. So there you go. This is what this thing actually does. This is just remember line for change line, hello. This thing in double quotes is a string, and any string cout means just print that the string. Okay. And cout is for printing. So now you can execute it like this. Simply print on the screen, hello world, and the line. Done. You can think of it like this for now, but in the future we will understand why thinking in this perspective is also important. So now the cout thing, cout is actually a pretty common operation, but for uncommon operations, there can be same command, because not the same person has developed all these header files, and a person who is developing a header file does not know all the commands of all the header files that are previously developed. So the same command can be a different header file, serving a different purpose, having a same name. How does C++? Suppose I've included that header file also. By the way, this is just a little shortcut in case you are finding that header file thing difficult. So just include this thing. This pretty much includes all the header files. So let us assume there's some other header file which I have included, file2.h or something. Well, by the way, such a file does not exist as much as I can remember. And that also has a cout thing which serves some different purpose, probably which actually reads left to right. But how does it come to know? If we say using namespace std, same command in two different files will always have a different namespace. Otherwise, the file won't be loaded in C++. The command cannot be loaded in other cases. std namespace combined with cout exists only in IO stream. std namespace combined with endl does not need a header file, I believe. No, it does. I think it does. Yeah, it does need a header file, and that's again iostream. std is the standard namespace, which pretty much you'll be using. In case you want to omit this line, you can surely omit it. This will make the processing much faster, but it will make the typing much slower. Now let's say we want to include some commands from the std library and some commands from the other library. So it is using std_cout, using std_endl. The two commands we have used from the standard namespace std. We are not include the complete namespace. We are just include these two commands from the namespace. Decent enough. So there you go. This will also work. And yeah, this return 0 means just well, we'll deal with this return 0 thing later when we actually come across functions we can define. This int and this return 0 are pretty much related. But now just remember main is a function, and main is the function from where the computer program starts its execution. Any code written in here, cout, get lost, and yeah, this semicolon is important. This semicolon means end of statement. I can actually compare. Actually, I can write it like this, and the program still works. Just I'll save it and I'll compile it and I'll show you what sort of an error you can actually get. Cout does not have a name type. That's right. Right here you cannot give commands. That's all it is saying. See, it's showing an error for cout get lost, which I just did away with, and it executed. And see, it still shows hello world. That's the reason why semicolon is important, because it pretty much does not understand these next lines. Probably that's it for this video. When kids understand all this, just don't worry. Very few people understand this at this stage. After you're actually done learning some amount of C++, you'll actually understand what that meant. For those who actually know some other programming language, probably Java or something, just look at this. That's your answer. In case it would have been left to right, the answer would have been 10 12, 1 0 1 2. It's actually right to left, so the answer is 1 And those who don't know some other programming languages, don't worry. When you actually know what all this code means, you'll actually know how you are able to create that output. So for now, all I can say is thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and there are more upcoming videos, of course.